Alright, here's a new soldering jig from Rabid Models. As you can see, it's a handy size and it can hold several wires in position so that it makes your job of soldering a lot easier. I'm going to show you with a couple of small wires. These are from regular servo connectors. Just going to press it into the slot here. And here's the other wire. So the wire presses in and the device holds them in place exactly where you want them. Of course, it takes a little bit of adjusting to get it in place where you want it, like that. Then when you're ready, you just hit it with a soldering iron. Boom. So that's a small wire. Here's a larger wire that I have. So I can use one of the larger slots. And the same thing, I just press it in there. That one's a little bit too tight, so I'm going to move it over this hole. Like that. And the soldering iron. It's a wire, sorry. There's the soldering iron, the solder. Boom. So there it is.